If your store location is closed and you still want to make money for your business, I'm going to tell you how to do that today, so stay tuned. With news of this coronavirus, tons of businesses have had to shut down. Tons of travel companies, tons of restaurants. If you go downtown in your local city, you'll notice that it's kind of like a ghost town. There's not too many businesses running. What if you're a restaurant owner that's struggling to make money because customers can't come into your business? You might be an owner of a business that's struggling to set up a delivery service with a staff that isn't large enough, or you weren't prepared for it. Even if you do have that shipping infrastructure set up, how do you get people to know about it? Like, what if you've never delivered before and people aren't aware that you actually provide that service? There are many ways to notify people about your delivery services. Let's jump right into them. If you have a Facebook page, you can use Facebook ads. Facebook ads is a great platform where you can target people in your local area, near your business, or in your town, and then you can put up an ad about your services, your mission, and how you're going to help them during these tough times. Another place where you can get your customers' attention is on Instagram. Facebook owns Instagram. Even though they're two different platforms, you can use the Facebook Ads Manager in order to run ads both on Facebook and Instagram. What if you just want to leverage Instagram without Facebook ads? You definitely can do that. If you search on Instagram for your location of your city, and you go into the posts, you can comment on people's posts, network, get them to follow you, and then post content about your restaurant or your store where you're going to be delivering products. You can also DM people that have posted on certain hashtags in your location. Just go to a post, click into that post, and then see what people are doing in that space in your location. This way you get direct access to people that want your products. Another amazing place to get your customers' attention is on YouTube. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. It's just behind Google. People are always looking on YouTube with customer intent and they want to get things. Especially in times right now, people are definitely searching for like how to get toilet paper when there's none at the store, or how to get food and stock up. What you can do is you can create videos and then title them and also put in your description keywords related to those topics. Then you can show how your business can serve them. You can figure out which demographics are struggling, and then you can figure out what products your business can provide to help those customers. With YouTube, you can even use YouTube ads. If you have a small budget and you want to get a lot of outreach, you can do campaigns where you can get views, leads, clicks to your website, and you can get a lot of customers watching your videos that would want to buy with high intent. You could publish a video where you're outlining how tough it is right now to get resources you need. And then you can talk about how your business is going to be delivering and helping people. I've actually seen some of these ads already. Another great place is Pinterest. Pinterest is a wonderful platform where a lot of people go and look for recipes or different how-to guides. These might be related to fitness, well-being, food, etc. There are many more categories on Pinterest. What you can do is you can run Pinterest ads, or you can just make pins and create a board. You can start pinning 10 to 20 things a day. You can also follow people that might like your different products and services. You could also search your location for products and services and see what people are doing in relation to your location. You could also look at your competitors' pins. Try to search on Pinterest for your competitors. Even if they're local, they might have pins, you never know it. Or a top brand competitor. People like this will want to get your products too. You can run ads to drive leads to your website that will lead to calls and lead to orders. Pinterest is a great way to get people's attention. If you have more business-focused services, you can use LinkedIn. LinkedIn has become more of a social media platform these days. There are tons of people doing content marketing on there. You can join in too. You can run LinkedIn ads and you can post content for businesses with B2B services that you need customers to come in, but they're not coming in, and then people can get your help through those ads by clicking through and going to your website. Although you'll spend more on LinkedIn, you're gonna get more high quality leads. LinkedIn has business-minded people, business professionals, and business owners that are looking for help and looking for networking opportunities. You can fill that gap today. Another great one is TikTok. Isn't TikTok for kids? Well, yeah, kind of. But there are adults on there too. Some of the biggest brands are on there. The biggest athletes, celebrities, personal brand. The organic traffic is amazing. If you want to reach people quickly and in a very entertaining way, you can make TikToks. You can make a ton of different TikToks, maybe 3 or 4 a day. And you can talk about your brand and your message and get people to understand why your business really cares about people. And you can talk about how the products and services that you provide can help fill their needs in tough times like this. Especially if you provide a product or a service that revolves around children, or younger demographics, this would be a great place to go. Create your media in ways where younger demographics can communicate to their parents. Everybody needs food, so you can talk about, fun foods for kids, and then that might give you a chance to deliver your food to those kids, especially kids that aren't in school and they depend on those lunches. I hope this video helped you to understand all the different platforms you have access to that can help you in finding your customers in a time where you can't get people to come into your store, but you still need to make sales and you still want to serve customers. Social media is super powerful, way more powerful in converting than TV ads, and you need to get on it if you're a business owner and you're really struggling to get people through the door because you can't get them through the door. With the coronavirus, it's a really tough time for everybody. I'm just like the next person. I would like a meal from some of my favorite restaurants, and if you start leveraging social media to get outreach to your customers, you have a great chance of being able to do that and sustain business during this tough time. If you liked this video, click the like button. I hope you can use these tips to expand your business during tough times, and I hope you can extend it after this period, because it will pass. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.